This is the Gladius Mini Aquatic Drone, your window to the underwater world. It can dive down to 100 meters, and with 2 hours of battery life, you can relax and not feel rushed. You can view crystal clear sea life through its 4K camera. And because the Gladius has 5 stabilizing propellers, you can record extremely smooth video, even on preset angles and depths. You can use VR goggles for a more immersive experience. You can share up to 3 devices using Bluetooth, connect using HDMI, and using the Gladius app, you can even live stream to YouTube and share instantly to Facebook. The Gladius Mini is small, portable, and great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks. An underwater world awaits you. Where would you take your Gladius?